Your willing support and encouragement and belief in me have been the driving force behind my confidence. I'm forever grateful for your presence in my life. I'm using this opportunity to thank you for being my rock, my cheerleader, and my constant source of inspiration. I'm truly blessed to have such an amazing support system, and I promise to always be there for you, just as you have been for me. However, human beings are inherently social creatures, and our most significant achievements have always been the result of collective efforts. Countless historical events and modern day success stories locally demonstrate the importance of communities working together as one cohesive nation. Times of crisis and prosperity alike, the power of unity remains unmatched. Fosters a sense of belonging, overcomes challenges, and ultimately paves the way for progress. Community consists of diverse individuals, each with unique skills, talents, and perspectives. Harnessing the diversity is essential for fostering innovation, creativity, and progress. When individuals work together as a collective, resources, expertise, and diversity, communities can accomplish far more together than individuals could have achieved their own. Successful communities are built on mutual support and cooperation. When individuals come together, they create a support system that ensures no one feels left behind. Unity strengthens social bonds and fosters belonging, which is essential for overall well-being. By working together as a team, community members can rely on one another during all times, share their burdens, and collectively overcome adversity. This support network provides comfort, encouragement, and reassurance, enabling individuals to face challenges head-on, confident in the knowledge that they are not alone. A united community possesses the power to drive change of being its own red global scale. Through collective action, communities can address social injustice, advocate for positive policy changes, and influence public opinion by standing together and amplify their voices. Communities can push boundaries, challenge the status quo, and bringing about meaningful progress. Communities that work together in harmony tend to flourish and prosper by supporting local business, sharing resources, and collaborating on projects. Strong sense of economic resilience can be built through that process. Local economies rely on the collective power of their community to thrive. When residents work together and patronize local establishments, the impact on jobs, commerce, and overall community well-being is significant and enormous. Furthermore, shared prosperity goes beyond economic gains. It encompasses improved infrastructure, increased opportunities, and enhanced quality of life for all community members. Consequently, it is time for young individuals at home and in diaspora start partnering for synergy. Without doubt, we can find strength in unity. These have become imperative so that whenever our brothers and sisters in diaspora and abroad come home, and they won't be complaining us about how things are not working, but rather they will see themselves as partners and partakers in the overall development for a better future.